service that enables you generate business to business leads, that is companies, industries in those niches, not business to customers. We'll look at another like that. And the idea is that it will help you one, save on cost of having to look for leads, that if you have a very good sales team with very, very good persuasion skills, they'll be able to um, translate those into sales. So let's look at the menu here. You have two options. One is you can generate leads from Google. So you'll need to set up Google APIs. So when you come to API keys, you'll need to set up your Google API keys. You need to set up your JavaScript APIs, Maps, JavaScript, Places API, and others. Okay, so that will enable you generate um, contacts of businesses that exist within that space, or you can actually get leads from Facebook. Okay, so I'm going to look at some of the leads that we've generated in the past. These are examples of universities. Then you have banks here, right? You have beverages, you have hotels. So it's a very, very cool software if you're in that space of you want to generate information. And how that works is you simply come to the dashboard here. You simply put in the business that you're looking for. You could come to this menu bar that either has your business category or niche in it, or you could put in your business name, the location, and the radius. Okay, and after you click search, and then you save your leads. Okay, it also has in the upgraded version, you have SEO reports here that can provide you with an idea of how you're performing on Google and other search engines. Then if you want to wow your clients, you can also get them Google My Business reports. Very, very cool customized tailored reports, Facebook reports. These are basically showing them how they're ranking online, customized and tailored to them. And then the other resources and bonuses down here. But in the event you also want to, like, oh, I actually have them here. In the event you want to contact these leads, you have email templates within here, very customized. So you can generate the leads and send them an email as well to basically show them how cool you are, but also provide value to the businesses. And the emails at this point in time are only customized to digital marketing services. So you have search engine optimization. And if you look at the examples of all these templates, you see, uh, you can see that they've already customized the email for you. I don't want to take more time than I have to. I know you're probably very busy, blah, blah, blah. This report is completely free. So this is basically like a lead magnet showing this business owner that you're actually very good at what you're doing, but also they need to improve based on the report you've gotten for them. So go check it out. Leads Gorilla 1.0. It's a very, very cool software. I believe they do have a one-time payment on Google. Check it out and have a lovely day. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Isaac Odong Senior. Cheers and see you in the next video.